How to unblock someone on TikTok. In this tutorial, I will show you step-by-step how to unblock someone on TikTok. The first step is to open or launch the TikTok app. Once you are on the home page, tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner to go to your profile section. On the profile page, tap on the menu option at the top right corner. From the menu that appears at the bottom, select the option named Settings and Privacy. On the Settings and Privacy page, scroll and tap on Privacy. On the Privacy page, scroll all the way down until you see the option named Blocked Accounts and tap on it. Once you do that, you will see a list of all the accounts you have blocked on TikTok. Beside each account name, there is an option named Unblock. To unblock someone, simply tap on Unblock next to their name and instantly the account will be unblocked. You can repeat the same process to unblock multiple accounts if you have more than one. Once unblocked, the person can view your profile, interact with your content, and send messages again, unless you block them later. The process is straightforward to follow. I hope this tutorial has helped you find a solution to the issue you were facing. Make sure you like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks. That is how to unblock someone on TikTok.